Welcome user to the second module, Machine Learning Algorithms. Till now we have learned how to perform descriptive analysis, how to deal with outliers and categorical data. Also we have completed feature scaling, feature selection and transformation techniques. Now we can apply machine learning algorithms to pre-processed data. In this chapter we are going to cover introduction to machine learning and machine learning algorithms and process of machine learning algorithms. Now let's get started with introduction to machine learning algorithms. In today's world, we can see computers are making decisions all around you. When you do an internet search or scroll through the news, computers completely control what you see. Face recognition, voice recognition, car driving, robotics, and a variety of other applications where a computer devices are used. But how could all of this happen? You may have heard word artificial intelligence. True artificial intelligence is still a decade away, but machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that is available now. Let us understand what is machine learning exactly. There are so many definitions you can find out on several sources, but all definitions has the same meaning. So machine learning is a subdomain of artificial intelligence that provides systems ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. If we look at the conventional approach of programming, we get output after applying programmatic structure to the input data. But in case of machine learning, we feed input along with respective output and machine learning structure will write program for us. In machine learning, we probably interact with autocomplete text, time series analysis, video recommendation, email filtering, and many more. Nowadays, machine learning is helping humans to tackle world's biggest challenges. Basically, learning comes from experience, and in case of machine learning, experience means lots and lots of data. Machine learning has three types. First is supervised learning. In supervised learning, the machine learns from the training data that is labeled. Second is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, data is not labeled. And the last is reinforcement learning, where model learns by its own. Over here you can see structure of supervised learning algorithms. In supervised learning, by using known data and known response, we make machine learning model. Once model is ready, we can feed new dataset to the developed model and model will predict response for us. In unsupervised learning, we feed input data to the model. Model will identify pattern and at the end it categorizes data based upon the patterns. In reinforcement learning, model will predict response. If response is incorrect, correct response is imposed by feedback loop. Model will remember correct response and the next time it will identify correctly. Now let us discuss each type one by one. Regression models and classification models are the two types of the supervised machine learning algorithms. If input variables are continuous, categorical and discrete and output variable is continuous or discrete, then model will be formed based upon the regression problem. And if input variables are continuous, categorical and discrete and output variable is categorical or discrete, then model will be formed based on the classification problem. Now let us discuss about the regression type. Linear regression and logistic regression are the two types of the regression problems. Linear regression is further classified into simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. In linear regression, output variable is continuous type. Logistic regression includes multiple input variables and discrete output label. Rarely some use cases will require support vector machine, decision tree and random forest algorithms to solve regression analysis. Right here you can see different algorithms of classification problems. Out of these algorithms, some algorithms are useful to solve classification as well as regression problems. Such algorithms are also called as CART models. This is all about the supervised machine learning algorithms. Now let us move ahead and discuss about the unsupervised machine learning models. If data does not have any output label, then such problem will come under unsupervised learning. Right here you can see types of unsupervised learning. So till now we have seen different types of supervised and unsupervised learning. The above types has to be made based on the type of data and output label. In the upcoming chapters, we are going to do detailed analysis of all types of the machine learning algorithms. This will end our video. In the next video, we are going to see how different machine learning algorithms work. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.